Smiley on the beat.
Hello, you all. Welcome to the Wealth Circle. This is Sean Lover. Today I'm gonna be real brief with you. Today I was speaking to a coworker about what I found out about the infinite banking concept, a whole life insurance with a mutual company. You can use the same. Have you ever been able to use $1 bill 2 times? Well, if you do what I'm about to tell you to do, you can use that same dollar twice, maybe more than twice. But what I want you guys to do is you can go find this book online, Amazon, or any other place online. It's probably like $10. It's the guy that came up with the infinite banking program, R. Nelson Nash, Become Your Own Banker. This is how the book looks. All right, so what this does is you put money into this. You put money into your whole life insurance. You have a death benefit, but you also can use your cash immediately. So you put your cash in there every month. It's non-tax when you take it out, or you can put a big, huge lump sum in, but that's going to be tax deferred. So what I was telling my coworker is, you put your money in this account every month, and then you borrow the money to buy a business or buy whatever you want. You don't go buy what you want first. You put the money into this life insurance account, and then you take the money out, you buy the business or buy the asset you want to buy, and then you take the profit from the business and you pay back your loan. You pay yourself back. So in that way, you never lose the money at all. So if you have $100,000, you put $100,000 into the life insurance account. That will make sure you always have it there. It will never go away unless you just like totally neglect it. You take that money back out. I think you can take out 90% in the first year. Then you buy your business or you buy whatever you're going to buy. Me personally, I would buy a business with it or buy an asset that makes me more money. And then when I take the profit from that business or asset and then pay my life insurance back. And then I will buy whatever I want to buy, go travel or do whatever you want to do. So that's how you keep your money. That's one way how you can keep your money in your personal circle, like not give away your money. A lot of people just buying stuff and they lose their money and they got to start all over again. No, you need to find the right vehicle to put your money in so you don't lose it. That's the first rule of building wealth, is not lose money. And the second rule is go back to rule number 1. All right, so if you have any questions, please leave me a comment at the bottom or add me on Facebook, Sean Thomas Lover, or add the Wealth Circle on Facebook. Send an invite and I'll approve it. All right, so I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you.